Hey friends, how are you all? Today I want to share some of the nursery that I have been putting together over the past couple weeks in nesting mode. It's not complete yet, but I'm going to share just a few little things that I've done that were inexpensive, super duper affordable, and super stylish, and it's really making this nursery look so awesome. It's been so much fun to build, so I can't wait to share it with you guys. One of the first things that I did was took an old dresser that we actually had in Andy and Julie's room, swapped it with them, and I just put on some new little poles. These were from IKEA. The ones that this dresser came with were so ugly and so cheap looking, but I changed this entire little dresser just by adding some new accessories to it. Super affordable. Two of these I think were like 10 bucks on IKEA. So always remember that you can always add poles to really change up any look. And now we have a cute little changing table. This little Ubi I had from Jolie, so I'm just reusing that. I hardly even really used it with her, so it's in pretty good condition. So I just pulled it out of storage. This little basket I got on Amazon. Such a good find. I really wanted this like wicker kind of look and all like earthy tones, and I think it really helps complete the look. So I spent a little bit of money. This one wasn't the cheapest. It was like 90 bucks. But because I saved on so many other areas, I was okay spending it on there. And then I just got some cute little sheets to go over them. This I'm already starting to pack up for Le Hospital. Crazy, oh my God. All right, and these things up here, there's this person in Australia who makes these, and they're like super expensive, but I did some research and I found one on Amazon, as usual. So I got it from there. And these two items were from Urban Outfitters, super on sale, Black Friday deals. Also just help really complete this cute little look. So yeah, really into that. Heading on to this area over here, as I mentioned, this room is not complete yet, but it's a great starting point. We already had this little set of cubbies. I had these ugly little pull-out drawers that I had in there, so I just bought from Target these cute little wicker baskets, and I need to buy some more. I just want to fill it with all kinds of cute wooden toys. And then I also have like a little nameplate thing that's gonna go up here that I'm gonna hang soon, which I love. This crib was actually gifted to me, so I saved there, but it's a $200 crib. It's a Delta crib, and it's amazing. I'll link everything down below so you guys can check it out, but I just love how it looks, and it's so affordable, and it gives it that really modern touch. Really, really love that crib. It's exactly what I wanted. This cute sheet, which I'm obsessed with, got that on Amazon as well. I think it was like 24 bucks or something. All right, moving on to this area here. The chair I already had in my living room, so I just took it. I actually had that pillow already. I added that little blanket onto there, just to kind of go with the bedding, which is also from Target, just to tie everything together and bring in some extra color and pattern. This cute little blanket's from Target, and then this wicker basket is from IKEA, along with these shelves, all from IKEA, okay? So inexpensive, but it's all just about how you put it together, and I'm pretty excited about it. This carpet is also from IKEA, so I'm really happy and excited about this room, and excited to continue to share as I continue to build it up. The more stuff that goes in here and the more we fill it up, the better and better it's gonna look. I'm super pumped. All right, there you have it, a little sneak peek of our nursery. Basically everything is from either Target, IKEA, the Delta crib was like 200 bucks. So everything was super affordable, and you just have to be a little bit thrifty and have a vision. And it all starts with a really good Pinterest board, so I highly recommend that. All right, I've linked a lot of different things below. Be sure to comment, like, and subscribe, and see you guys soon. I got a few more weeks till my due date, and I will keep you posted as we progress and we keep building this nursery up.